Alright, here's the pontoon boat. This is the front of it. We got two seats, left and right, fishing seats in the front, fishing rod holder, and I've got a bimini, a front bimini for this, which is really nice. And you go to the back, and I've got the bimini here. It's not completely tied down yet, but there's the bimini and captain's chair. All the controls are here. Throttle quadrant. Well, probably not a throttle quadrant if there's only one throttle. And there is the engine. We lower the engine, turn the battery on. So battery's underneath here. And I can switch that battery to dual like that. We've got dual batteries back here, which is kind of cool. And then once the battery's on, you can lower the engine. So I'll lower it just a bit to start off with. And then I'll straighten it up a bit like this, just a bit, get it down to so it hits the box. Let me see, there we go, like that, and then that's good. I'm going to start the boat. Start it up right now. This has to be up, in the up position, like that. And then the key is right here, and you just start it like a car. And this is a 90 horsepower Merc, and you wait till the water kind of pees out on the side, and that means that the cold water from the lake, this is the lake here, is cooling off the engine. And that's a 90 horsepower Merc. It's a pretty big one actually. For this boat it works fine. And that's pretty much it. And from the back, I go all the way, there's two seats back here. I've got this second seat here is where I store extra fuel, and it's really a fishing well, and it'll pump water in there, but I don't use it for fishing. Store extra fuel, and it's also a seat. You can sit back here. And then from the back, this is what the boat looks like from the back. It's a pretty impressive fishing boat. The season's almost over now, and that'll be it.